Hello everyone, dear traders. Today we will ask the bot for several signals on OTC and stock quotes and check whether the bot actually gives a pass rate above 90%. To begin with, let's set the amount of our transaction to $500. Then let's go to the bot and select the OTC quotes category. Next, select the asset we need. At this moment, the bot recommends choosing the USD/JPY currency pair. Let's select it by setting the expiration mode to 5 minutes. All you have to do is wait for the bot to finish the analysis. We received a bot signal to downgrade. We place 3 trading orders at once and wait for the result. Great! In 5 minutes we earned $1,380. Now let's request a signal for stock quotes with an expiration mode of 1 minute. Excellent again. As you just saw, the bot excels at analyzing the market and making quality recommendations, and it's completely free. To receive it, go to Telegram using the link on the screen or in the comments and follow the simple instructions. See you again.